Greetings.
Whoa,
Greetings. Greetings. Some weather we're having.
I've had them for a while. They're just not comfortable. I gotta like break them in. Whoa.
Advice for the day.
Break in your shoes before you need them.
Dude, you're so cool. Never love anyone. Never open up your heart. Stay guarded. My first time smoking a cigarette.
Got any words of wisdom, Dawson?
Eating a full bowl of cream is not a good move. Everyone's got their vice, and it's so fire though. You guys gotta try it one time. Just like put the cereal with the cream.
Dinner.
We're poor.
Hey, you got this right.